Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick little video on how I cover up my crazy hair curlers. When I cover them up, if I need to run, go get the mail or run out and I don't want to take this out yet. I have found if I take this out before I take a shower, the steam, even with a cap, ruins the curl for me and it goes straight. So I hate taking it out before I've been able to jump in the shower. So I have figured this out and I get compliments on it all the time, and it was totally not intentional, but it is a cute little hair wrap that kind of covers everything up. So you just start with a plain square scarf and you fold one corner over. So you just fold, yeah, just like a little bit, like that much. So then you have all of this to work with. So this is going to go underneath the back of your hair. So, oh, I went the wrong way. Here we go. So that little flappy part is right here. So you are just going to take that, put it underneath your hair, and then bring up the back corner. Where are you, little corner? There it is. All right, so this guy falls in your face. These two ends you hang on to, and you are just going to tie them together like this. And I usually kind of pull mine as I'm doing it to make sure I have all the fabric. All right, so you just kind of tie that, and then you want to tuck in all these crazy pieces. And no, I'm not done yet. I know it looks ridiculous. All right, so then you take this piece and move it up, and you're going to tie it again, just in like a half knot. Boop. All right, so then you have these two little like cute end pieces, and then you just take this little flipper that's left, and you're going to tuck it underneath. And I like mine to show a little bit of my hair. So I usually move it back a little to show some of my hair, and then just even out the edges. And like, I want that like a little smaller. So you just tuck it in like so. And then this is where the knot is. So I usually just kind of pull it to make it look like even. And then I just want to tuck this under. It's a little like 1950s housewife, but that's kind of cute and retro. So, all right. So I just tuck those bits under and make sure like I have a little bit of bang showing. Oops. All right. Go back under there, dude. And I know it's a lot of tucking, but it tends to stay. I've never had it come out. And then you have your two little cute end pieces, and voila. Anyway, if you just need to run out and like do a couple things and you're not ready to like take your curlers out or take whatever hair thing you have going on, it's like a little chic way of running around. Anyway, I just thought I would share because this has been like an easy thing to throw on and do, and it looks super cute, and it just kind of covers up whatever mess you have going on underneath. All right, thanks for watching.